And we're looking up on top now. Popping on now. Again, you can see there's no patches of any kind really. Lifting points. Numerous handles for hanging on. I'll be taking a videotape with this too in a minute, so you can see the whole boat. Don't bother about the radome for the radar. It's not. I wouldn't consider it working. Black stubby antenna, dual lights, big old speakers. I bought a new control system for the engine. It's right there. There's all your switches and stuff. Again, you can see the picture of the batteries. That's below. This also goes like this. Just the way they constructed it. Got a government issue siren too, which would be fun. So you can see stereo system. All these have extra storage down below. As you can see, there's the self-inflator that's in there. That inflates the boat so you don't have to worry about it. Extra storage. I designed this myself. So basically it's a platform for you to stand on. Those will go out like that. Put this down here now. Yanmar diesel. I showed you the previous pictures. The oil, it's actually clean. I gotta put a quart in right now. Doesn't burn oil. Just haven't put a quart in a while. And there's your water filtration, your pump, your fuel oil filter, water separator, heat exchanger. And there's your front shot of the whole boat. Okay, now I'll go get a hose and start it.